Oh, fami, ando dili babi una bia bawa takui.
Kwa kana bara bara. Amo chikina rambo ko. Egeti ya.
Mama ina na Hadzabe. Nena.
Hadzabe. Sasa kama kote kuku chikaina ta koko. Nena wabi. Nena kwa
This is not farmed honey. There are no wooden hives, no protective suits, no gloves, no smoke to drive away the bees, just courage and the knowledge passed down through generations. The jungle is quiet. The hunt has failed. No meat, no birds, no catch today. But the Hadzabe tribe does not go home empty-handed. In the heart of East Africa, the Hadzabe tribe faces nature on its rawest terms. Today, the hunters return with no animals, no guinea fowl, no baboon, no bush pig. It's a hard truth of jungle life. But hunger doesn't wait. So when the land gives no meat, the Hadzabe turn to the trees for wild honey. This is not farmed honey. There are no wooden hives, no protective suits, no gloves, no smoke to drive away the bees, just courage and the knowledge passed down through generations. One hunter steps forward, bare-chested, barefoot. He climbs the tall tree, his hands gripping rough bark, his body stung by angry swarms before he even reaches the top. The bees are wild, aggressive, and defending their treasure. But the Hadzabe man pushes on, because hunger is louder than fear. High above the ground, he tears into the natural nest carved deep inside the tree. Golden honey oozes from thick wax combs. He pulls them out with bare hands while bees sting his skin like fire. Still, he doesn't stop. This is survival. This is ancient courage in action. Down below, the tribe waits with hope in their eyes. When he descends, honey in hand, there are no complaints about the stings, only smiles, gratitude, and the joy of sharing nature's sweetness together. For the Hadzabe, even when the jungle says no, they find a way. No weapons, no fire, just knowledge and bravery. This is more than food. This is the spirit of the Hadzabe.
Bado. Baadaye.
Tight worker.
Tight worker to see your mind.
Wakikayo sio.
Ndio hivyo.
Lakini usikate bichi. Hamna shida. Hamna shida.
أنا بس أفتح ناسي يا مان.
What if that's at you gonna be feeling Tet ifita cha.
Akia gweko akoni build mama.
Tet ifita cha.
Ikono akenato no kapendo ndelabe.
Mama ika ko.
Sabe. Taka te na aboko adun.